Hi, this is Sonya with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to the hashtag How Do You Do Art Challenge. And it's hosted by Sharyl of The Whole Bucket on YouTube. And the challenge for July is for us to make a junk journal using only junk. So I'd already started the last few weeks. First I made this little signature. But I've added some stuff to it since then, and we've made some like pockets using leftover material, like packaging materials like Tim Holtz and other little things like that. And I also die cut a few of these little shapes and stuff. So what I did today, I took some of that plastic that I had earlier that I showed, I think in that first video. And basically what I did is I made this cover, and this cover is composed of just some plastic bags. One end opens up the normal way because it has like a zip, or what do you call it? Like it opens and closes over again. It has like a natural closure on there. And then the other end, of course, which is at the back, it was sealed, and then I cut it open. Well, actually, I think I need to cut this one open. Did I cut this open yet? I didn't cut this one open. I do need to cut this open. But anyway, basically what I did with the rest of them is I cut open, I took the plastic, and then I took some Amazon packaging, and I kind of measured it out and cut it down to fit the size of each plastic container. And then some of them have like pockets front to back, and I added that Amazon package on the front and the back, and I held it in place using some tape, some little like washi tape, and I ran it through the sewing machine, each one of them. And then I decided to just kind of decorate each pocket, and then I just took some black acrylic paint and some stencils, and then just kind of gave it some decoration or whatever. And then once I got all three of these little plastic bags and pockets, I went on ahead and stitched them together, and then stitched them into a signature along with this little pink. I had a little pink package also. So that's, and then once I got all that stitched together, then I put the signature into the middle of it, and then added it into the main part of the journal. So that's where we are right here. So we've got this, and then we've got like pockets here, and I'm going to be filling these up with ephemera, and it's just different kinds of bags. So we've got lots of storage space, because this is going to be a storage for our for me to put stuff, you know, my ephemera and things like that in. Some of these are double pockets, some of these are not. And then this one has quite a few pockets on it. 1, 2, 3. I got like 3 areas in there. And then you come to the regular signature, and then you have your little tuck spots, and then this is like a belly band, and then you also have some storage right in here, and then you have storage here. And then I created a belly band right here with one of those other things, packages, and basically I just added some fabric onto the chipboard, and then just folded the fabric over, and then stitched it so it would stay sturdy. So I can tuck something down in there, something kind of big. I left a lot of space simply because I know some things might be big, like my ephemera. I might have die cuts, and then I might also have like embossed papers. So, you know, just different sizes of ephemera and stuff like that that I want to fit in here. So later I'm just gonna, on the next video, I'll probably add some tabs. But off camera, I'm probably just going to go through and add more like side pockets and things like that on here. And then basically the journal will almost be complete. So what we'll do probably on my next and last video is I'll do a flip through, and then I'll show you everything that I've like added in here. So this is what we have so far. So yeah, and I decided, of course, that this was going to be the cover. So nothing fancy, but it is a journal, and I can also like write my journal like say if I come across ideas, I can jot those down, and then I've got my ephemera in here, so I can just, you know, use it. And for the closure, I haven't got an official closure, but this right here is satisfactory, this little old clip. So yeah, it's just simple. It's made from junk. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And also check out my Ko-Fi, because I have some freebies in there if you like digitals. And so yeah, and it's just my little token of appreciation to give back to my craft community. So once again, thanks for watching, and happy crafting.